What is this, Trey?
Bathroom.
Another bathroom. Yes, absolutely. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Kamusta Kababayans. My name is Kuya Oscar, your go-to real estate agent here in the greater Phoenix area. Hey, if you are brand new to my channel, I go around all of the greater Phoenix area, West Valley side, East Valley side, everything in between. And I showcase model homes as well as move-in ready homes, guys. And I also do area tours as well. So, hey, if you're in the market for brand new construction homes, do me a favor, hit that like, subscribe, and notification button so you can stay up to date with all of the brand new construction communities here in Arizona. And if you're planning to move here in Arizona, I would absolutely love to be a part of your journey. I've helped numerous buyers already here in Arizona, and I would also love to help you and your family. So again, hey, we are in North Phoenix in Peoria. Peoria, it is known for great schools, nice neighborhoods, and it is up and coming, okay? A lot of development happening here. This is a newer community called Aloravita. They've already been here for a couple months now. Last time that I came here, there was not nearly as many homes that was put up. Now that I'm driving around the neighborhood, there is plenty of homes everywhere. So it is growing and they're selling fast. So I am here touring and I'm going to showcase their Daisy Floorplan again. You're looking at about 3,020 square feet, 3-car tandem garage, guys. It does have a den, really large backyards, 4 bedrooms upstairs with a huge loft. So there's so much space here in this home. So I'm excited to show you guys. Stick around to the end of this video. We'll talk about more of Peoria. We'll talk about this community who's building here in Aloravita. It's not just Ashton Woods. We'll talk about the HOA build out times, all of that good stuff. That'll be at the end of the video. So with that being said, guys, let's get this video started. So first, I just want to point out, look at all of these mountains that you see just surrounding this community. So that is really nice. Okay, so we are on lot 261. Okay, it is this beautiful home right here. This is their Daisy Floorplan. Okay, really nice exterior look here. Love the stone characteristics that they have there. So walking up, as you can see, you have paved driveway. Some of them are just, your cement driveway, but this one is paved, so that is really nice. You have a nice front patio area right here, so you could put additional seating, okay? And as we walk inside, you have 9-foot ceilings here on the top. Really nice tile flooring here. I love the tone of the floors. You have a den just right off of the front entrance, and it is a really large den space. So, this could be a multifunctional room, realistically. What I mean by that is, you could turn this into like another playroom if you have kids, office, obviously, another seating area. But this is a great room, and it's really large, okay? So, continuing down the foyer, you have a coat closet and a storage closet. It goes fairly deep inside there, so you could definitely store some things in there. Stairs going upstairs. We'll head up there here in a moment. Here is your large living space. Okay, so you could put a really good sized sectional there. Love the center sliding doors. We'll take a look on the outside here so I can show you the backyard. And here is your kitchen. So open concept feel. So while you wash dishes, you can watch your favorite shows, football, all that good stuff. Quartz countertops, has a nice overhang, so you could put additional seating there. They have the gray cabinet look. Really nice layout here of the kitchen, okay? Here is the pantry. Pantry, in my opinion, could be a little bit bigger, but, it's still really good. Here's a gas range. So if you love gas cooktops, gas range, you have the girdle there in the middle for like your pancakes or whatever. Here is your eating space just right off of the kitchen, so you could put a pretty good size dining table there. And if you notice, in some brand new construction homes, they don't come with blinds, right? So this is really nice because this is another expense that could be very expensive, but this home already comes with blinds and also the screens, so that is really awesome, okay? So just right off of the dining table here, you do have a half bath, okay? And then you do have, more shelving, storage closet. And then you have a 3-car tandem garage just right off of that. Okay, so here's your 3-car tandem garage. Put another car back here or turn it into a gym, home gym. But it goes fairly deep, so you could definitely fit in a truck here. And the ceilings here are pretty high as well, so that is really nice. So if you have a lifted truck, I'm pretty sure it could fit in here because of how high the ceilings are. But again, here's that kind of 3rd-car tandem space, really large space here, so that's really awesome. Okay, so let's go take a look on the outside. Here in Arizona, it's always sunny, and right now it's so beautiful. So beautiful. It's really sunny outside. The air is, has a really nice cool breeze. You have a nice covered patio area here. Okay, and here's your backyard. So it goes fairly deep back. The fence line is pretty far back there, so you could do a lot of great things to your backyard. You could put a nice gazebo out there. You could put a pool back here if you wanted to, but really good sized backyard. Okay, you got your AC unit, Lennox, really good brand. And on the other side, you do have an access door. Okay, so there's the downstairs. Pretty straightforward floor plan. Again, den, living space, kitchen, open concept. Here's your dining space, half bath, and then you have your entry to your 3-car tandem garage. Okay, let's go take a look upstairs. Hey, little boy. I brought my son with me today. He really wanted to come with me and tour these homes. But hey, we are upstairs, guys. And upstairs, you do have a really large loft up here. So great for additional entertainment here. As you can see, the scaling, really large. You can put a nice sectional, good entertainment system over here. What's nice about upstairs too, so right when we got up, you take a right, go straight. Here's your other 3 bedrooms, okay? Or if you take a left, that leads into your laundry room and also your primary bedroom, okay? So we're going to follow this little guy. So here is the primary bedroom. Pretty large primary bedroom here. And where are we right now, Trey? We are in the bathroom. Good job. Okay, so you have double vanity sinks here. A nice area to put in your seat. A large counter space. Oh yeah, this is your primary shower here. Okay, where else? What else is here? Okay, show us the closet. Oh, what do you think about this closet, Trey? Pretty big? Yeah, so pretty big primary closet here, guys. You have linen closet here. Oh, yes, toilet. Yes, thank you for pointing that out. Another linen closet here. And let's go to the other bedrooms. So again, right off of the primary, guys, you do have your laundry room. Pretty large laundry room here. Good shelving system on top. And as you can see, you could definitely put like extra cabinets here. You could go to Lowe's or Home Depot, get those standalones and put it here so you can fold, or you can install it yourself. Really nice, spacious laundry room. So on this side is your 3 bedrooms, your other 3 bedrooms, and 2 full baths. So here's 1 full bathroom, 2 sinks again. Okay, here is one of the bedrooms. Yes, there is another toilet. Thanks for pointing that out, buddy. So here is a really big sized bedroom. So good sized bedroom, and it has a walk-in closet. Okay. The other bedroom is just right off of that. So here's the other bedroom. All really good size. And this one also does have a walk-in closet. And here is the other bedroom. So all the bedrooms are fairly decently sized. This one has the biggest walk-in closet out of the 3. But this one also I could tell is smaller than the other 2, but nonetheless, it is still actually pretty big, okay? In comparison to the other one, this one has a larger walk-in closet. But hey, here is, as he pointed out, what is this, Trey? Another bathroom. Yes, absolutely. So realistically, guys, this bedroom has its own bathroom. The other two has another full bathroom, and then you have your primary, okay? So that's really awesome. Here is another storage closet. Thank you for opening that up, okay? For like linen, sheets, all that good stuff. But that is pretty much the upstairs. Pretty straightforward. So really nice home, really nice layout as well. Stick around to the end of this video. We'll go ahead and start talking about everything else about this community. Okay, guys, so that was the home tour. I hope you enjoyed it. So yes, we are here in Aloravita. Here in Aloravita, you have Ashton Woods. We are showcasing Ashton Woods right now. There are also Lennar and Taylor Morrison. So those are the three builders here in Aloravita, okay? The HOA here, you're looking at about $90 a month. That covers walking trails, tot lots, common ground maintenance. So that's what that $90 cover, okay? If you're wanting to build from the ground up, because there's still a lot of lots, okay, and some oversized lots, that is going to be a 6 to 8 month build out time, okay? So keep that in mind. Average lot size here, you're looking at about 6,600 in this specific collection. There are two collections, okay? There's the Retreat, which we are touring, and also the Sanctuary, which has the bigger homes, okay? The Sanctuary actually also has houses that has RV garages. So if you have a camper, if you have an RV, or if you just want to build, you know, the ultimate gym space, they have a really nice RV garage, and I'll go ahead and I'll tour that one also. But yes, average lot size, 6,600 here in this collection. In the Sanctuary, you're looking about 7,200, okay? So right now, the incentives in this specific move-in home, you can lock in a 4.49 interest rate, okay? And they can actually also, on top of that, give some money towards your closing costs. So that is a really great deal. Interest rates right now, they're like hovering at about 6.6% national average, but it's in those mid sixes. So a 4.49 is a really great deal. Okay, so, oh, really? Oh, okay, hold on. So exactly where is Peoria and where exactly is this community? Well, you are, you know, in the north side. So Peoria is known for, obviously, really great school districts. The number one basis in the nation is here, located in Peoria. There's a huge wait list, however, so but really, really great schools here in Peoria. Deer Valley's right next to us as well. You're only about 25 to 30 minutes away from like Scottsdale, Paradise Valley area. Okay. And that joke that I mentioned earlier about the Happy Valley, the happiest valley. So Happy Valley Road is literally right in front of this community. If you take that, you have grocery shops nearby, great restaurants nearby. For recreational, you have Lake Pleasant. So, you know, about 20 minutes up north, you have Lake Pleasant. So, you know, if you like boating, wakeboarding, they also have, you know, this huge kind of bouncy house right on the water, which is awesome for the summertime, obviously, because it gets really hot here in Arizona. And they also have homes that you could rent that's right on the water. So that is really, really awesome. So this community, guys, really great place. They have a few spec homes, and in this community or in this series, they have single level homes up to the 2-story homes. This is their biggest 2-story home in this collection here. In the Sanctuary collection, they have some that are like 4,000 square feet. So depending on, you know, how big your family is, or just, you know, the space that you want, RV garage, they have these options with Ashton Woods. So that is really awesome. Okay, I've sold a few Ashton Woods, and my clients really love the quality of the build. Okay, so with that being said, guys, if you have any other questions, definitely feel free to reach out to me. I'd absolutely love to help you out. Definitely make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and notification button, so you know, you can see other home tours here in the Peoria in the north side. Again, I toured the north and the west side. Well, I tour everywhere essentially. Right, we're in the north side right now. But yeah, just make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and notification button, because I'm gonna actually go tour the RV garages, because that sounds awesome. Okay, guys. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys. And go. Wow, that was a good high five. Yeah.